Starting a forum dedicated to tips and tricks for working alone involves several key steps. Firstly, choose a forum platform. There are numerous free and paid options available. Consider factors like ease of use, customization capabilities, and the user interface offered by platforms such as PHPBB, vBulletin, and Forum. Secondly, set up your forum. Once you've selected a platform, create an account and configure your forum settings. This includes choosing a domain name, configuring essential settings, and installing any necessary extensions or plugins to enhance functionality. Thirdly, create categories and subforums. Organize your forum into distinct categories and subforums based on specific topics or areas of interest related to working alone. This will help users navigate the forum more efficiently and find relevant content. Fourthly, promote your forum. Spread the word about your new forum by sharing it on social media platforms, participating in relevant online communities, and reaching out to potential members who might benefit from the resource. Consider using targeted advertising or collaborating with other related websites or organizations to expand your reach. To create a successful forum community, there are several important things to keep in mind. Encourage participation by creating a welcoming and inclusive atmosphere where users feel comfortable asking questions, sharing their experiences, and contributing to discussions. Provide valuable content by offering useful, informative, and engaging content that addresses the specific needs and challenges faced by individuals working alone. This could include articles, guides, tutorials, and expert advice. Moderate regularly to ensure that the forum remains organized, clean, and free of spam, inappropriate content, or disruptive behavior. Implement a clear set of community guidelines and enforce them consistently to maintain a positive and productive environment. Listen to feedback from your users. Regularly solicit feedback from forum members to understand their needs, preferences, and concerns. Use this feedback to improve the forum experience, address any issues, and implement new features or improvements that enhance user satisfaction. Foster a sense of community by encouraging users to connect with each other, share ideas, and support one another. Facilitate discussions, organize online events or meetups, and create opportunities for members to build relationships and collaborate. Some example topics for tips and tricks for working alone forum could include time management and productivity strategies. Discussions on effective time management techniques, prioritization methods, and tools for maximizing productivity when working independently. Remote collaboration tools to include reviews and recommendations for software and platforms that facilitate remote collaboration, communication, and project management. Overcoming isolation and loneliness with support and strategies for combating feelings of isolation and loneliness that can arise from working alone, including tips for staying connected and engaged. Self-motivation and accountability. Techniques for maintaining motivation, setting goals, and staying accountable when working without direct supervision or external pressure. Work-life balance. Advice and tips for achieving a healthy work-life balance when working alone, including strategies for setting boundaries, managing stress, and prioritizing well-being. The benefits of starting such a forum are numerous. You can connect with other working alone individuals and create a supportive network. Share and learn from the experiences of others, gaining valuable insights and practical advice. Improve productivity and efficiency by accessing resources, tools, and strategies that can help you work smarter and more effectively. Overcome challenges and obstacles by receiving support, encouragement, and solutions from fellow forum members. And finally, you can build a sense of community and belonging, which can be especially valuable for those who work in isolation.